If you want to find out who won the giveaway, keep watching. So I've never done a giveaway and I wasn't quite sure how to do it. So I looked up all the names of the people that had commented and subscribed, and I cut up little pieces of paper the even size, and I wrote everybody's name on a separate sheet or a separate little printout to make it all fair. Hi everyone, today's the big day. I'm going to announce the winner of the 50 subscriber giveaway. So I really appreciate all your love and support and all the comments. Everybody was so nice. And so in the earlier clips, as you can tell, I wrote everybody's name who left the comment and subscribed, and I folded them up and put them in this big bucket. And here we go. Good luck everyone. And the winner is Georgia Ormond. Okay, Georgia, if I'm going to leave my email address in the description bar. If you could just send me an email with your address, then I'll put them in the mailbox. The Method cleaner, it's the cleaner, the spray, the dishwashing liquid, the cleaner spray, and the hand soap. Congratulations, Georgia. Now on to the haul. I got stuff for both Halloween and fall, but we'll start here with this cauldron. It does say trick or treat. It was from Home Goods, $14.99, not on sale. Then I got these witch legs. They were $3.84 from Walmart. I'm going to be doing a collab video with my sister. Her name here on YouTube is Witchcraft Wednesday. We're going to do a craft and decorate for Halloween and fall. So that should be out Wednesday the 23rd. Just keep an eye out for that. So this sign is from Walmart. It was $4.24. From here on out, it's just too hard to look at this big long receipt. So I'll post the prices in the video as they come along. So this is In All Things Give Thanks. It does not have a price on it at all. So I'm not even going to say the full price. Oh my gosh. Then this glittery sparkly pumpkin was regular $8.99. The pumpkin in the back, $17.99. These are the full prices. I got them 40% off, like I said. This pumpkin was $9.99. I got this cotton wreath. I think it's a wreath. But the price on this is $9.99. I don't think I knew that. I wouldn't have bought it for that price. I got a trick or treat sign, $5.99. The trick or treat stuff was not on sale. The Halloween stuff, actually. This vase was on sale. It's $7.99 full price. These tiny little pumpkins were $3.99. This is the stuff for the giveaway. Again, congratulations, Georgia. I wish I had enough money to give everybody who entered something. I sure would, but I will have another giveaway at 100 subscribers, so hopefully that comes fast. So the Eek sign in the back is so cool because you turn it around and it says boo. So that I thought was adorable. I had to have it. $7.99. This, Count Your Blessings, $4.99. I love this. This is going to go on my Lazy Susan on my table. Always be grateful. And this was half price, so it was $5.99. Little Piggy. I love my Little Piggy. And this was $11.99. It was also half off. That was all I got from Hobby Lobby. All these assorted flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. So each little bunch is $1. Also from the Dollar Tree, I got this mouse skeleton, some glittery ribbon, some spiders, some pumpkins, and a bunch of witches' hats. I think I got 6 or 7 of them. I'm going to put them on my porch hanging from the ceiling. It's going to hopefully look pretty. I have it in my head. I hope it comes out. This was from Michael's. If I turn it over, I'll drop it, and that's where the price tag is, so I'll just put it on the screen. Also from Michael's, these were $5. The little letters that say boo were something, but there's no price on any of them. So again, I'll put that on the screen. And then I got a wooden cake stand, which I thought was just gorgeous. This was on clearance. Don't remember the price, but it should be there on the screen. Okay, that's all I got. Also, like I said, when we do the collab video, I'll take pictures and videos of all my decorations so that you can see them all put together. Thanks for watching.